Well, today we're here with Tanner and his 99 Grand Am. This one's actually an SE, different than what we usually deal with. So far we've done a little bit to it. It came with the body kit, as you see. The body kit's an AIT one. The side skirts are different. We haven't been able to identify them yet, but they are not what originally came with this front and rear. Fenders also not sure what they are. They're all full fiberglass vented. Hood we swapped. I was able to get one of these SDs, fix it up and slapped it on there for now. Left it black. Changed the wheels. The drag DR44 wheels, 17-inch. So being an SE, this actually came with drums. So we did the rear disc swap. So his current suspension setup is Eibach with KYB struts. Changed the headlights to these halos for now. These will be getting changed soon again. Tails, the same taillights as mine, just chrome. For right now, the trunk is spoilerless, but we have an RK1 in the shed. The exhaust we just put on, it's an SLP Camaro muffler. It's just shaped to fit the body kit. Sounds pretty good. Here's a little clip of that. We also set them up with hood struts. Under the hood's pretty much stock. I snagged some ZZP wires. We threw those on there because they're blue. Strut bar, quarter intake. And then you walk in. And as you'll notice, there's no door handles and there's no keyhole in the trunk. It's a fully shaped car with door poppers. So that's pretty cool. Show car feature. It's a little bit of a pain sometimes, but it's nifty. The interior is the nasty 99 tan with cloth inserts. So working on a gray interior. We swapped his leather seats from the wrecked car. A little bit of painting done here from the previous owner. Some silver, some blue. Audio, we did all Pioneer as far as highs, fronts, rears, radio. System's my old Hyphonics with the Quantum amp, still booming like day one. Made him a LED third brake light too. Oh, wait, they're the same. Okay, I'm tickled. So what's not shown, all this stuff. So on the previous video, you guys have to go back and watch that. That goes over everything that's going to be happening to Tanner's car. Everything that we got for him, everything that we're going to get. I'll link that video right here for you guys to find, so you can check that out. Top of that, shout out to my buddy Trell, local W body guy. He hooked us up with a dummy transmission here for us to work on mock-up. So that'll play into everything else going on here. Alright, so that wraps it up for Tanner's video. So thanks for watching this episode of Cars with Friends. There will be others in the future. Seems to be a fun way to interact with people. I got a couple other Pontiacs in mind. So that's it for this one, and we will see you on the next one.